having fun yet? Oh well, you and me then. I can feel your frustration. It is immensely satisfying.
What now, brother?
The spear remains our best chance.
Hey, careful! These are new bracelets. Oh, wait! You expected the stick to give you an advantage? You actually hit me! Slow down! I don't remember the last time anyone hit me! Slow down! You strike like a sloppy cow! Haha! There we are! Armor fit for a cop. Slow it down. You know, pain is not as bad as I remember.
Come on, brother! You hit him once! Just gotta find the right opening!
Look! That's all this is! What is going on in that empty little head? Oh, no. You are going to spare me out of pity!
Let it go, and you may live.
Is this about the little runt? Oh, now I am definitely going to gut him.
This is your final warning.
I don't think a warning's going to cut it.
You think you get to just walk away? No. That is not how this works. You do not get to decide my fate! You are dead, sunshine. You are way over your head! Don't you know who I am? I am the Watchman of the Aesir, the Herald of Ragnarok! I am going to find that little mongrel of yours and beat his face into a pulp! Only one of us is walking away from this. And sure as shit will not do you!
Brother! Brother! This isn't who you want to be!
Kratos. That was just... I don't know if we are breaking fate, or fate's breaking us.